Good morning, happy Tuesday. I tried vlogging yesterday, but it was just one of those Mondays where I was just so tired and didn't want to do anything. So we're vlogging today, but it's Tuesday. It is time for lunch. I'm going to make a copycat dupe of the Erewhon buffalo cauliflower. I made it for the first time maybe like 3 weeks ago and I thought it was pretty good, so I've been craving it. I'm gonna make it again right now. I've been trying to cook more during lunch or just eating like less pre-made processed lunch. I've been trying to just like eat more whole foods or like home cooked recipes in general. And mind you, I don't cook, like I really don't cook, but I've been cooking a little more just because Russ has been having a lot of late meetings these days, so I'm starting to cook and it's been going well. So maybe this is a new cooking era for me, but I have like an hour and a half till my next meeting. I'm actually training, so it's not just a meeting where I can be on mute and not contribute. I actually have to train someone today, so we're gonna make this cauliflower, maybe eat it before the meeting if I have time, but let's get it started. Who called me? All right, everyone, here she is, the Erewhon buffalo cauliflower dupe. Gonna eat some right now. I have a meeting in like 15 minutes. Gonna eat more after though. Probably gonna make like a beef stir fry. But let's try her. She looks a little dry. I might have did that last bake a little too long, but she's very good. Oh my gosh, I could honestly eat these all day. And I'm glad I made half a batch this time. The first time I made it, I baked like the full head of cauliflower. They weren't that good when I would reheat them in the air fryer, so I decided to do a smaller batch so they could be as fresh as possible. So good. Shout out Tip Top. And get ready for my meeting and then eat again after my meeting. Yeah, good time is amazing. Sometimes, the good time session 2, I know you went over. It was like in-depth experience with good time. A lot of our new folks who have seen it for the first time. If you're under this request availability tab versus schedule now, chill. How's your?
Yeah.
Hello, it's Wednesday. It's 3 o'clock. I think I'm gonna wrap up work a little early so I can cook dinner. I already mentioned I've been cooking in general a lot more just because Russ has been busier. So today I'm gonna make a beef stew. Hopefully it turns out well. I have all my directions here just from compiling all the TikToks that I saw on how to cook it. We have an Instapot, but I'm just gonna cook it the old-fashioned way because I don't know how to use the Instapot, so it might take a little longer. So that's why I'm starting now. But yeah, let's make this beef stew. Hopefully it's successful. And yeah. Ah! Little peek. Am I even supposed to open it? Ooh. She does look good.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 이렇게 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 저 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지 가스연한 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서 널 기다리다 내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go on 손들이 왔어 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑에 몰라 일이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 많아는 널 보며 지금 말해
And now time for a sweet treat. I love a good sweet treat. We're falling for that, bro.
And I don't need to try any harder. It's just better. It's just good when I'm with you. Oh, right, this feels good. You and I think we got something special. And I don't need to try any harder. It's just better. It's just good when I'm with you. Alright. 언제부터 시작한지 잘 몰라, baby. 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아, baby. 너의 말투. 내일이 오는 signs up. Maybe we'll make some memories. It's all up to you. Feels good, you and I think we got something special. And I don't need to try any harder. It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Oh, this feels good, you and I think we got something special. And I don't need to try any harder. It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Alright.
Wow!